Okay, the cutting the difficult stuff out has been completed. Not sure if you wanted to see what it looks like with no control arms, but here's our trailing arm, and their lateral links is what they are, these two right here. And same thing over here, everything's off. You know, something didn't show was taking the ABS bolts off, hardware, super rusted. The new aftermarket arms don't have any provisions for this, I don't think anyways. Maybe there's a tab, but I doubt it. Let's go prep those and get rid of this garbage. Okay, something that I do on a lot of my brand new suspension projects is gonna be grease. Utah is very terrible to suspension components, so I will take it apart and do what I can to get a nice film throughout what is easy with it all apart. So now here for the jam nut, same thing over here. And then of course you can wipe the excess off after it's together. I'm not doing a very beautiful job, but literally it will rust to one piece if we do not do this. And a little trick to spin it together in one motion. Got right hand thread right here, and we have opposite thread right here. Take your screwdriver of choice. What I'm getting at is rotating them both at the same time. So this will pull them both together. Even amount of adjustment. Don't necessarily need that. Alright, I'm going to spin these together and I'm going to repeat this process on all these control arms. And then going to go get them installed. Alright, we have greased every single threaded portion of the brand new parts. Not sure how many pieces of suspension you've done, but quick head start on the adjustment so you're not spending a lot of time on the car. Alright, these red parts are going to get installed. I was comparing the stock bolt to this because I put it in there. I was like, what the f? Yeah. So another example. There's our notches for the washer, but they're not even coming through on the spacers. It just spins around. It's not supposed to spin. Supposed to be locked with the other side like that. So I like new hardware, but hopefully you have the factory cam bolts. The arms came with new ones, but they definitely don't fit. Check this out. That's what they're giving us to work with here. And yeah, that's where it sits in the body, and it wasn't even grabbing. Yeah, just rotating. It's got to be in further right there. No good. Don't use that stuff. Hopefully you have Subaru OEM rear control arm bolts, or you can lock it out. Fixed bolt, fixed washer, because we have adjustable pieces. Oh, what the heck? Alright, looking pretty good here. Let me get a flashlight. Okay, everything's installed. Got that new bolt in. New trailing arms. I was wrong, we do have bracket. Everything's at a preset, you know, stock adjustment. So gonna get the suspension on and get that accomplished.
If you have any questions about those arms going on the car piece by piece, just go ahead and put it in the comments section below. I'll be sure to answer you. Next video we'll be doing the coilover install, and if you want to subscribe, that will allow you to see the video when it pops up, when it's ready. Have a good night.